The first place I'm going to bring the thread is right up here to this guide here, and then we'll go down from there. This is going to be a simple threading of the 411G, and I would like to point out that I will not be doing the chain stitching threading here or on the little pickup lever. I will just be doing straight from thread spool to upper tension assembly and the regular pickup lever and down to the needle head that way. So here we go. That just slides right in there. And now we're going to take it right down to the thread guide between the discs. Tighten the thread and pull the check spring up. And there, that was successful. We see the thread inside the hook, and then it's simply a matter up to the pickup lever, through there. I've put that behind that loop like that, and I'm pulling it through. I'm going to raise that. Maybe. And then this is going to come down here, and then we bring the thread down through that loop there, and then this one here, and then into the needle, which I don't have. But you know how to thread a needle, right? Yes, you do. So there's the quickie threading of the Down and Dirty Singer 411G. Have a great day. Adios, amigos.